In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text on CapCut PC. If you want to reposition titles, adjust lower thirds, or create text that smoothly slides across the screen. CapCut PC gives you two very easy ways to do it. One method is perfect for static text that just needs to sit in a better spot, and the other is ideal if you want your text to actually move over time. Let's start with the easiest option, which is manually repositioning static text. First, click on your text block in the timeline so it's highlighted. This tells CapCut exactly which text layer you want to edit. Once it's selected, look at the center preview window. You'll see the blue bounding box around your text. Click and drag that box directly in the preview to place your text anywhere you want on the screen. This is the fastest way to move text, and it works great when you're making simple adjustments by eye. If you want more precision, use the controls in the top right panel. Go to Text, then Basic, and scroll down to Position and Size. Here you can adjust the X and Y values to control exactly where the text appears. This is especially useful when you want perfect alignment, consistent placement across multiple titles, or a cleaner, more professional layout. Now let's look at the second method, which is using keyframes to create moving text. Start by placing your playhead at the beginning of the text clip. Then in the top right panel next to Position and Size, click the small keyframe diamond icon. Once it turns yellow, that means keyframing is active and CapCut has marked the starting position of your text. Next, move your playhead a few seconds forward on the timeline. With the playhead in that new position, drag your text in the preview window to where you want it to end. As soon as you move it, CapCut automatically creates the motion between the first point and the second point. That means your text will smoothly travel from the starting position to the ending position without you needing to animate each frame yourself. To test the result, press the spacebar and watch the text move. If the motion feels too fast, drag the second keyframe farther down the timeline to give the animation more time. If it feels too slow, move the keyframes closer together so the text reaches the ending position faster. And that's it. You now know the two easiest ways to move text in CapCut PC, whether you want a simple reposition or a smooth animated motion.